Chance man and rave on this one, new brand bound to come number one. Watch it. And you feel big up, big up. All of the woman them big up, big up. All of the girl them big up, big up. All of the woman them big up, big up. Whoa.
So as you guys can see, I am decked out in Jamaican gear, which means I am represented. My mom was born and raised in Jamaica, so therefore that makes my ethnicity Jamaican, which makes me Jamaican. Don't argue with me, that's just the facts of life. Growing up, I was teased. I really was teased for being Jamaican. People just assumed that I was dirty. I got called the Jamaican booty scratcher. Like, it is what it is. Kids are just evil. I can't stand when people find out I'm Jamaican. They just kill me with the stereotypes. They ask me if I smoke ganja. Like, if I did, I wouldn't tell you. They love to ask me about, like, how do I feel about dreads, or would I ever consider getting dreads. Like, not all Jamaican wear dreads. They ask me if I'm Rastafarian. Like, no, I'm not. People automatically assume that I can dance good. Not to say I can't dance, but just don't make an assumption. I just love when people be like, can you speak Jamaican? It's patois. And I always tell people, like, oh, you know, I don't speak it unless I'm drunk or mimicking my mom. But in actuality, I want to, like, come out my face and go suck your mother. Yes. And speaking of patois, I can't, just don't come up to me like, wagwan. Like, it kills my soul when people say stuff in patois, and it's the worst way. Like, they're saying it in the most terrible way ever. You know, being that my mom's Jamaican, I pronounce things a certain way. Like, for instance, y'all say make the bed, and we usually say spread the bed. And, like, I don't like when people know my mom's Jamaican and they, like, correct me, like, trying to be funny. Like, you're just being rude, you're being insensitive. Like, I personally feel like if you know someone is from a different culture or background, you shouldn't be insensitive and just automatically correct them. Like, no, be understanding. And if you're, like, ask in a polite, nice way. Like, don't be a little dickhead about it. So, if you hear me say something and you don't know what I'm saying, ask me. Don't just be rude and correct what I'm saying. So, you know, at the end of the day, I love being Jamaican. Like, I really do. But it annoys me that it seems like people like to pick up people's culture and ethnicity and turn it into a trend. Like, listen. This is our lives. Like, it's not a trend. It's not for fun. You can't just pick up being Jamaican, pick up being Haitian, pick up being African. Like, you just cannot pick up somebody's culture and think, oh, because this trend is popping, I'm going to do it. Like, now. So, like I said, at the end of the day, I love being Jamaican. Boop, boop. So, thank you guys for watching. Until next time.